All right, guys. This is the trade we're looking at. It's the USDCAD. Currently on the 1 hour chart. Have a look at the chart. If you've read the book already, you'll likely be able to see where the trade is. If you haven't read the book, take a look at the picture. And what we're going to do, we're going to then put the lipstick on, so to speak. And basically, you'll see how we are trading the financial markets per given rule set, textbook I call it, to extract pips and make a living. Okay, so here we are. You see the chart. What I'm going to do is pause the video and put the lipstick on. Before I do that, let me just read the disclaimer. Trading carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Before deciding to invest, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite. The possibility exists that you could sustain a loss of some or all of your initial investment, and therefore you should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. You should be aware of all the risks associated with foreign exchange trading and seek advice from an independent financial advisor if you have any doubts. Okay, so 1 second, guys. All right, guys, so here we have the lipstick on. We've got our trend line in position. We've made use of our fibs. There's our fib levels all marked out. This was FOMC day, Wednesday. Okay, we did make a note in the trade group that FOMC is upon us, and therefore be wary about trading. Interestingly, I mean, if someone had put the trend on their trend line on like this, it's a bit steep, but nonetheless, it is a manner of doing it. Had the break there, entered on the 50% pullback there. Prior to FOMC, could have got out, break even there, wait for FOMC to finish, and then get back in. Because we did give a warning today, on this day, in the trade group. Nonetheless, let's trade this per our rule set. This is a textbook trade. There's a trade like this literally in the trade book, literally same setup. And, you know, it has the same explanation as I'm going to now apply. Lipstick is on. Let's do this. Let's drop down to the 15-minute chart. Okay. And then let's trade it accordingly. FOMC's happened. This is what they do. They run the stops. We explained about what the stop run is. Of course, they know stops are below the previous day high here, which this line depicts. And right here, they know that the stops are below the previous day highs. So they run the stops there. Also, they run the stops of the highs. They did that here. Made like they was coming back down, which they could well do, right? And begin to range. Okay, so basically the market, what it tries to do is tries to trick people into what it's going to do next. And that's how they make money. That's why the market goes up and down, up and down. It's always taking stops on both sides. So it takes a bit of time to understand the market and understanding what it's doing and why it's doing it. Here's what the trade looks like on the 15-minute chart. And here is, where the break is. Here's our fib point above and below. 50% fib is here. That's our entry. So this would be pending order, one entry. We know after it pulls back, we know that on its way to target, it's going to come across the 100 line. So we got another entry in there. We did not get filled here. Okay, no problem. We got filled here. Okay. There to there is 90 pips. There to there is 148 pips. We still made money. Textbook trade. It's in the book. This very same setup, which I've said to you repeats itself, has repeated itself. I've seen it for the past 5 years. past 5, 6 years as a trader, I've seen this repeat itself over and over again. Now I've written a book. It's in the book. So I'm not making it up. And it's repeating itself again. Good Lord. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. I hope you're enjoying these series of videos that I'm putting out. Please, if you would be so kind as to like and subscribe so we can build this channel and help more people to make money from the financial markets. Also, read in the description below. You can find out more information about the book that contains the strategy and you know, the offers in place to help you become a successful trader. I do appreciate your time watching and this trading opportunity, and look forward to speaking with you again in the next trade. Bye for now, guys. Bye. Thank you.